I'm breaking down the best alternatives that outperform Chrome where it matters most. Let's start with Firefox, the open source legend. The last line of defense for a free and open internet. Firefox is the only major browser on this list not built on Google's Chromium engine. By using it, you're actively supporting a diverse web ecosystem. Its container system is a game changer. It creates separate sandboxes for your browsing sessions. You can shop on Amazon in one container and check your Gmail in another, and the trackers from one cannot follow you into the other. It is one of the most transparent browsers out there. It isn't tied to an advertising business model, meaning its privacy isn't a feature, it's the core reason why it exists. Next up, let's look at Brave, the privacy-first speed demon. Chrome is built to serve ads. Brave is built to serve you. Brave is the primary choice for those who are tired of being the product, because it blocks trackers and invasive ads at the browser level. Before the page even loads, it is measurably faster than Chrome. Chrome's reliance on tracking scripts is exactly what slows down page load times. Brave's architecture uses significantly less CPU and battery. Tests have shown that Brave can load pages faster than standard browsers because it simply refuses to load the digital garbage that clutters the web. It's perfect for those who want Chrome-like speed but refuse to pay for it with their personal data. Now meet Vivaldi, the control freak dream for total, unadulterated customization for the power user. If you've ever looked at a browser and thought, "I wish I could move that button," you belong to Vivaldi. It's built for those of us wanting the browser to be an extension of their personal workflow. Chrome forces a one-size-fits-all UI. Vivaldi, on the other hand, lets you put your tabs on the bottom, the side, or stack them in groups. It features built-in note-taking, advanced window management, and custom mouse gestures that make navigating the web feel like you're using a professional software suite. It proves that browsers don't have to be mindless tools. They can be command centers tailored to your specific needs. Next up, we have Opera, the beautiful powerhouse. If Chrome feels like a blank canvas, Opera feels like a fully furnished smart home. If you value aesthetics, Opera is the ultimate shift. It doesn't just show you websites. It gives you a sidebar with built-in access to WhatsApp, Messenger, and its own AI assistant, Aria. Unlike Chrome, which forces you to install dozens of heavy, RAM-hungry extensions for basic utility, Opera integrates these tools natively. It's arguably the most well-designed browser experience on the market. It's clean, it's fast, and it stops you from living in your settings menu. Coming up next, the Arc browser. Some call it the operating system for the web. If you're tired of the cluttered, stagnant tab bar experience, Arc is the radical rethink you've been waiting for. It discards the traditional top bar layout entirely, shifting everything into a sleek, vertical sidebar that treats your browser less like a utility and more like a dedicated workspace. With Arc, context is king. With Spaces, you can completely isolate your work, personal, and project browsing. Each space feels like its own dedicated app, keeping your tabs, pins, and even custom themes separate so you never mix up your focus. It's built for productivity. Arc replaces the extension-heavy workflow with native tools that let you visually redesign any website's UI on the fly. It's built for those who want to command their digital environment. It doesn't just show you websites. It helps you interact with them for quick lookups and AI-powered summaries that keep you moving. How could we forget Microsoft Edge, the unexpected performance king? Hear me out. It's actually the most efficient browser for Windows users. It's easy to dismiss Edge as just another Microsoft tool, but the data tells a different story. Edge is aggressively capturing market share on all devices because it solves Chrome's RAM bloat problem. The sleeping tabs feature in Edge puts inactive tabs into a deep state of hibernation, consuming near zero resources. In side-by-side tests, Edge consistently uses significantly less memory than Chrome while rendering the same heavy web applications. If your job involves having 30 different tabs open, Edge is the only browser that will actually let you multitask without your PC feeling like it's melting. There are some other honorable mentions such as Zen and LiberWolf that are gaining popularity. If you'd like me to make a video about it, let me know in the comments. If you like my work, please hit like and subscribe. I'm curious to know what's your favorite browser and why. Drop a comment. Thanks for watching.